What's going on, guys? It's Andre, and today we're back with another story time and transformation. So I remember when these first came out, I bought a pair for $300, and I should have known they were fake. The price alone was enough to tell. Super disappointed. I was super pissed. Whatever. Fast forward a couple of years, they restocked a couple times, kept messing them, and then they restocked a couple weeks ago, and I was playing basketball. I checked my phone. It's like 7 minutes ago. Adidas Yeezy 350 Zebra restock. And I'm just like, bro, what are the odds I actually missed them again? But, let me know what you guys think about this transformation. If you want this done to your own pair, DM my IG at Dre Storations. Like, share, and follow, and I'll see you guys in the next one.